Okay, so we've got an issue with our line chart displaying these zero values here. And we could look in the Excel or the chart formatting options all day long because, trust me, I've tried. But unfortunately, there's no way to tell Excel that we don't want to plot these zeros on the chart. Now, I did mention that we can just delete these values altogether, but we do need our formulas here. So what we could do is maybe try to have our formulas display blank values instead of zeros. So let's try that. And we only need to do it for this column because we are always going to have the full data for the previous year. So I'm going to select the first cell and jump into my formula. And we could do something like if, open parentheses, this formula is equal to 0, which is what we're getting here, then return a blank value, which is simply 2 quotation marks. Otherwise, return the result of this formula. So copy and paste it over here. But honestly, that doesn't seem very efficient, and it's going to lead to an even bigger formula. So let's try to think of another piece of logic that we can use. After all, when are we going to get these zero values? Well, whenever this month is greater than the current month, right? That's all it is. So we can do that. Let's say if this month is greater than the current month, then return blank. Otherwise, evaluate this formula. Let's close the if function, press enter, and let's apply this down. And it looks like our formula did work because we are getting blank values here. But it also looks like Excel is outsmarting us because it's still reading these blanks as zeros. And what we actually have to do is return error values instead of blanks. So if we go back to our formula, I'm going to delete this blank here. And what I actually want to do is return this NA function, which, as you can see, returns the error value NA. So if we open and close parentheses, press enter, and apply this down, you'll see that the result isn't very pretty here, but our chart is now working perfectly. And at the end of the day, this is all our end user is going to see. So it looks like problem solved.